being the chairman of LSU and I've noticed is poverty. People are very poor. That's why I even came up with the name of Chikumicha dollar, that people should have at least an emergency fee of $100. So when you have money, you can solve every problem. So poverty is the issue in my opinion.
Thank you, Mr. Nsereko Moses.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What, in your view, is the greatest development challenge facing Kawempe North?
There are so many, sir. The first one is poor drainage. Emiala. Poor drainage. Emiala. Then the second one, poverty. Poverty. Mr. President, poverty. That's why I came up with this idea. Nsereko Moses saving boxy.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Mr. Kachika Frederick.
Thank you, sir.
Let's listen.
The problem we have in Akawempe, we have in my constituency, since the President Museveni got in power, Kawempe North, we have a problem of education. We have only we don't have any secondary school in Kawempe North. That's a big problem facing Kawempe North.
Okay, thank you very much. Dr. Charles Rubagumya, same question. Let's listen to Dr. Charles Rubagumya.
The greatest development challenge in Kawempe, first of all, Kawempe is a ghetto area full of people who are low income earners. Our youth don't have what to do, they are jobless. Our women are not empowered. And generally speaking, even the respect for human rights by the regime is also a problem.
Thank you very much. Let's have Engineer Zen Kungu Kenneth.
Thank you so much. What I feel the greatest development challenge you have had in Kawempe North has many factories, industries, and also different households. But one of the key problems industries or factories are facing, the high tariffs in terms of electricity. That's why you find that the costs of production are high, and you find that at the end of the day, the goods they manufacture are also high. But if we try to reduce on the electricity tariffs, and also we can make sure that they are able to produce goods at a much cheaper cost.
Thank you very much. To your left, two people, Counsel Nalukoola.
In Kawempe North constituency, we have a challenge of insufficient or inadequate planning for our resources, including human and other resources. We don't plan. Even those projects you see there, a good number of them are put in place before planning. We need sufficient planning.
Mr. Salim Salim. Let's listen, please. The greatest challenge. Let's listen to the candidate. Please.
Being a greater area, there is insecurity, there is unemployment, and there is health crisis.
Thank you. Mr. Luwemba Luswa Mohammed.
Thank you so much. The health sector is very poor, and the issue of unemployment, especially the young generation, the youth. So that's all.
Thank you very much. And finally, but by no means the least, Mr. Kulia Saulozewa.
Yes. However, we have many problems, but I can identify some, like garbage collections in Kawempe, unemployment, poor drainages, poverty among our youth, and other people, poor
facilities, and we don't have like a USE secondary schools in Kawempe. We only have private secondary schools, so we can work on those ones.
Thank you.
Dr.
Judith Nalukoola will ask the next question. Thank you.
So we are going to go on now question number 2, and we are going to start in the order that we started. So, Mr. Maga, what is your understanding of the role of an MP?
Thank you very much. The question is very clear. The understanding of the role of an MP is already stipulated in the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. An MP does oversight role. An MP does represent his constituents. An MP does representation of the people, and an MP as well does appropriation of the budget. Thank you very much. So those are the cardinal roles of an MP.
Mr. Mulumba Matthias, your colleague has talked about those roles. What is your understanding of appropriations?
That is a process where the MP looks at how the people of that area, how they can benefit from the government, from the service delivery, that they should be given properly in those areas where he represents.
Okay, thank you very much. The same question applies to Mr. Seriko Moses. What is your understanding of appropriations? Mr. Seriko Moses.
Thank you, pardon.
What is your understanding of appropriations? Your colleague said there are 4 functions: legislation, oversight, appropriation, and representation. What is appropriations?
What I can say, the role of an MP, Parliament, the role of an MP to pass laws that govern the country. MPs make laws that govern this country. Also to represent your people, the one who have voted for you. That is it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Frederick?
Yes, madam.
The role of oversight.
Yes.
We've had presidents of members of parliament who have been given the role of oversight. I'm sure you know them. And they have not performed accordance to what we expect of them. What are you going to do as a member of parliament in the role of oversight?
Thank you, madam. One of the role of parliament oversighted. So what the madam asked me, Kachika, what are you going to do? Because we see many members of parliament not working, not do their own, not do their jobs. But Kachika, you make sure that I work tirelessly to see people get delivered, get well representative.
I think I posed the same question to you. Dr. Charles Kubaguma, the same question to you. Okay, I won't repeat it. I said we have seen in the current parliament, we entrusted some of our leaders with the role of oversight, and they have not performed to our expectations. In fact, they haven't performed at all. what are you going to do as a member of parliament in as far as oversight is concerned?
I told you that you cannot give what you don't have. You give what you have. My main goal is to join the struggle of removing the dictatorial regime of President Museveni, because all those functions we are talking about, oversight law, allocation of resources, all programs, this body they are presenting, who is going to give them the budget? And a dictator give them a budget. Who is going to give them the power to implement all those good projects? The main law, the main solution is to uproot the dictatorial regime of President Museveni. Yes, then afterwards, that's when we start get into our promised land. That's when all those health issues will be fixed. That's when all education issues will be fixed. That's all those programs which are supposed to be supported by the MPs will be implemented. But we cannot do all those programs, under editorial regime.
Thank you.
So the main role is to remove the editorial regime, and then we get into our promised land, which we always think about.
Thank you, sir. Engineer Senkungu Kenneth. Engineer Senkungu Kenneth.
Yes, please.
Question we would like you to answer. Name any 3 roles the Speaker of Parliament. Any 3 roles the Speaker of Parliament.
The 3 roles of the Speaker of Parliament: 1 is to oversee the House, because they are the ones who are the chairpersons of all the sessions, or all the sittings of the House. 2, approvals of the national budget. And also 3, trying to make sure that through the parliamentary commission, to try to know the privileges and also the allocations for all the different persons in this country.
Thank you very much. The same question applies to you, Counsel Nalukoola. However, we would like you to explain more on the Speaker's role when it comes to the parliamentary commission. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The Speaker, people power, our power, Ra. Speaker is the chairperson of the Parliamentary Commission. The Parliamentary Commission is the body which does the administrative role of Parliament, including but not limited to proposing the remunerations and determining administrative questions and issues which arise in day-to-day running of Parliament. If you allow me the latitude.
Thank you, Counsel. Mr. Serunkuma Salim.